Normal people will use it like this. Bloop, 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 like that, yeah. Chinese people will do it like this. It's 10 years, there you go, yeah. There you go, yeah. Somebody who clearly knows who our next performer is. It's gonna be some See Ming jokes, lah. Enjoy, lah, enjoy.
Who here came to support my 1 hour comedy show? Make some noise. Who here came because of free tickets? Make some noise. Okay, fuck you guys, okay?
Start already. Level 2. PJ pack. Look Skywalker. So new. I prefer you. Oh, just here. Okay. Ah. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, it's so fun. Tone-nya. Okay. Cool.
Okay, so let me ask a few questions so the other comedians know what's going to happen. What do we have for tonight? The most common one is, okay, who has seen live stand-up comedy before? Make some noise. Majority of you guys, nice, thank you. Normal people will use it like this. Bloop, 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 bloop. Chinese people will do like this. Chinese is 10 years, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Somebody who clearly knows who our next performer is. Thank you so much for the support. Been doing it for 10 years. We fondly call him the uncle of the scene. Guys, put your hands together and welcome on stage the one, the only, Sim Tong! Thank you. Okay, how come this show suddenly got one uncle? Yeah, I'm very happy to be here. Like today we're actually doing a recording. Like we have so many cameras here. For once we are not using our handphone to record. Normally I have to use my handphone and my handphone's really lousy, you know. I got my wife the nice one though. My wife has like one of these very Chang'e new high-tech phones, right? With a beautify function. Yeah, like you take one picture and like you take one family photo, right? And all 4 generations end up looking the same age. I look at it, I'm like, I can't, you know. Very nice. So yeah, I love it here and I'm so happy to be here. Tuck is chasing his dream. I am also chasing my dream, you know. Although I'm a little bit older than him. Still chasing the dream. My dream actually is to kind of make it big in America. Yeah. And I have one worry though, which is that my name is very Chinese, right? Sim Tong. And I worry that the Americans, they cannot remember my name. So I'm thinking of changing my name to something easier to remember. So I'm gonna change my name to Zachariah Waffle Burger. Yeah. Let's keep it simple, right? It's gonna be some See Ming jokes lah. Enjoy lah, enjoy. Yeah. So I'll tell you a little bit about my wife See Ming. We have been married for 17 years. Thank you. Yeah. And I do this for her every night. I scratch her back every night. Yeah. It's our love language, you know. Oh, who said that? It's a romantic, right? Unless you're the one scratching now. It's very tiring, you know. Like I'll scratch her until she falls asleep. And then I'll scratch her a little bit more until she starts snoring. You know? She's like, and then after the 3rd snore, yeah, I'm like, okay, I'll stop scratching now. Okay. And then she's like, why you stop? I can't stop. Yeah. So the other day I scratched her back for like half an hour and like, I'm tired already, like, can I stop? Can I take a break? And then she said, never mind, I'll help you. And then she did this, she put her hand behind her back and then she grabbed my hand and started scratching her back with my hand. Yeah. I didn't even know my wife was so flexible, you know. Like all these years, she could have been scratching her own back, right? And my wife, I would never cheat on my wife because I love her. And also, divorce is expensive. Yeah. Like I don't want to deal with that, right? Doesn't know I'm like, yeah, I like a pussy. Yeah. So yeah, my son, he's at that age where he is experimenting with language a little bit, right? Like his favorite word now is freaking. Yeah, so he says it all the time. Freaking this, freaking that. It's fucking annoying, man, I tell you. Yeah, I don't know where he gets it from. He's at this age also, like, he's having a little bit of an attitude. Like, this time, like a little while ago, I showed him like the science experiment, right, that I found on YouTube. I'm like, oh, this is cool, I'll show it to him. You know, he'll learn something, blow his mind. It's very easy experiment. You can try this at home with your kids, all by yourself. You only need 3 items, some wool, a PVC pipe, and a plastic bag. So you just rub the wool on the other two items, you throw the plastic bag up in the air, you hold the PVC pipe under it, they repel each other, and you can keep the plastic bag floating up in the air, right? Static electricity experiment. So I showed him this, and he didn't look too impressed. So I think I gotta say something, you know, to draw him in. So I said something from Harry Potter because he loves Harry Potter, right? So I said, Wingardium Leviosa. And he's like, Dad, it's Leviosa, not Leviosa. You're trying to make it levitate, not levitate. Don't you know anything, Dad? And at that moment, I was like, why, you little post-millennial shit? I'm just trying to show you some science, right? Trying to show you give you some real-world knowledge. You're giving me shit about how to pronounce a made-up word. Fuck you, and fuck Harry Potter, okay? And fuck Pokemon too. Pikachu can suck my dick. I didn't actually say any of that. Because you can't, right? You can't. Yeah, you gotta be a responsible dad.
The opening act for tonight. Damn. That's funny as fuck, right? Oh, sorry, AF, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, let me hear it. Oh, Yuong Tuck! Yeah! You guys enjoyed tonight? Make some noise! Get the applause going. Let's bring back our acts for tonight. We started the night with Sim Tong! And of course, your headliner for tonight, Yuong Tuck! Alright guys, so here's the man of the moment. Tuck, please take the mic. Yeah, we're gonna do this like some China talk show.
China talk show, YB talk show, politician talk show.
So the reason why you wanted to come out here is to show your appreciation to
Yeah.
the lovely crowd we have tonight. What a fantastic crowd
thank
you
you.
are.
Really appreciate it. You know, I know I'm not super famous. Okay, my face only sold 30 tickets. Okay, but it's okay. You
I
guys.
think your face sold 30 tickets, but other parts sold the rest, lah, guys. Right?
This part sold
No, I didn't say
more.
that. I didn't say that.
Other parts.
Right?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So, what do you feel about doing your first ever solo special live show?
Not satisfied. Want to do again?
Do you?
Yeah lah, for sure lah.
That's right.
Still doing for sure. I want to do. I don't know. I want a blasting sound. I want
Blasting, huh?
But it's okay. This crowd is good.
No, fantastic. I was very, very surprised when I asked who here knows Tuck, and then almost everybody.
Really?
So who's in the crowd you can see right now?
I can see my students. and
Students,
my
make some
sister,
noise.
my brother.
Students, back there, nice. See, what kind of lecturer can give free tickets to his own
Yeah,
show,
what the hell,
right?
man?
Then
60 tickets.
Can you imagine if you go to like an engineering college, and then your teacher is like Lewis Hamilton or something, and then suddenly you get to watch him drive F1 race in Singapore, you know. This is what Tuck does for you, so you better pay attention in class next time, huh?
Yeah.
So they come here confirm pass, right?
It's like, this is the part of the show where I'm super awkward one. It's like, I've already done my jokes already. I don't know how to do this human thing. Okay, this show was good. You guys were awesome. That's right.
What do you think of our boy here, 10 years? We've known Tuck so long. It's funny doing his solo special. What do you think about what he did tonight?
Yeah, I think I'm very proud. I was actually standing back there taking some photos of him. But then I also remember if you guys can see me, maybe if I can see you, maybe you can see me. That's like what theater people always tell us. But I was like, wow, this is Tuck's moment, and I wanted to capture it because it's really special. You guys being here is really special. Nice.
TuckMyLife.
This political election, okay? You don't have to do this, okay? Okay, now is photography time, and then you want to take picture with 3 of us or me only. And you take picture. Then if not, then exit is over there. Okay, I will let Brian do the whole thing.
No.
Doing a 15-minute set here tomorrow at same location, okay? But maybe same joke, same joke, okay, similar joke, okay. But yeah, okay, Juliana is doing her 1-hour solo show as well, and then yeah, okay, support her as well, and yeah.
I would love to. Hi everyone. Hi. I'm Juliana Heng, and I will be doing my 1-hour solo show tomorrow. Same place, same time. So unlike Tuck, I will be doing stand-up comedy, spoken word, and storytelling. Yes. So come lah, tomorrow if you're all free, get your ass to my show. Thank you so much. I'm Juliana Heng.
Thank you, Juliana.
Hey, thanks, Juliana.
Okay. Any last words?
Any last words? Thank you, good night, and see you guys again, and drive safe. Thank you for coming. Really grateful about it. It means a lot.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you guys so much. Don't be shy, guys. Anybody take a picture? Please come on stage.
Yes, Sulaiman.
Good night. Thank you.
YB, Sulaiman.
Thank you for coming. Okay, I will come to your show. Because I've lost my phone.
Okay.
But send me a comment before, sorry.
Yes.
Then
Yes.
you do.
Okay, sure. Oh, thanks. And good luck.
Ah, got pen sama.